What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you
So
enjoy.
y'all, this one was this cute ladybug with some ribbon and some greenery. So first thing that I'm gonna do is make my bow. If I'm using a 1.5 inch single ribbon, I like to do mine in layers. That way you get lots of tails throughout. That way it gives it lots of texture and dimension. So let's do a 12-inch tail to start. Give it a good twist. Put that twist right between our pegs. Y'all look, literally the twist is right between the pegs. Right on the other side is face up. Right on the other side is face down. Y'all, this one is spliced. Gotta love that. Y'all, it happens. Sometimes they'll just glue the ribbon together. This one is just taped. That's always good. So we're gonna have about a 6-inch loop. Our ladybug isn't that big, so we don't want to have a loop that is too big. Another 6-inch loop. Tail going up. All right. And we're just going to make a couple of layers. All right. So we've done 1, 2, 3 layers. Now I'm going to do my center loop. To do that, it's literally tail, 1 loop, tail off to the side. All right, we're gonna wrap our pipe cleaner right around the bow. Pull it nice and tight and give it a good twist. All right. Y'all, then you just spread your pieces out a little bit. The center loop is about 4 inches if I had to guess. All right, decide where you want your bow. I'm gonna put mine down here in this corner. So the ladybug has a wire frame underneath her. So I'm going to utilize that wire frame by just poking the pipe cleaner right through the burlap. And pulling it tight around that metal frame. All right, let's get our bow all fluffed out. We can trim a few pieces. All right. Y'all, now I'm going to take the greenery that came with it, and I'm going to first cut it all off of the frame. All right, I'm going to cut half these stems off real quick. Then I'm going to cut these stems in half again. All right, y'all, I think we are only going to need little small pieces because we're going to glue this right into the bow, and we don't want it to take over. Get us a lot of hot glue on there. Now we're just going to find a spot, lift the pieces, and glue that right into the center of our bow. So I just want to break up some of that red and black color. All right, see how that green is just breaking up the color there? All right. Now, you can keep adding greens if you want to. You can add some more to the back, or you can save this for another project. You know, if you are just a crafter and you don't make wreaths for a living, maybe you want to save these. Sorry, maybe you don't want to save them and you just want to use them. If you are a wreath maker and you can use them in multiple projects, maybe you want to just use half the bush like I did in the beginning. All right, I am going to use a few longer pieces down underneath the ribbon tails. All right, there we go. Simple, quick, and easy.